Wow, Bella, check this out. A Magnat subwoofer amplifier that's given up the ghost.
Oh, an amplifier? What went wrong with it? Did it just stop working?
Exactly, no sound at all. That's often a sign that something inside is broken. I've opened it up now to look for the cause.
It looks complicated in there. What are you looking for exactly?
First, I look for obvious damage like burnt components or loose connections. And then I check the fuse.
Fuse, like in a car battery.
In principle, yes. A fuse is a small component that interrupts the flow of electricity if there's too much current. It protects the other components from damage. And look, here it is blown, as expected.
Aha, that's like a guardian angel for the amplifier. Can you just replace it?
Yes, that's relatively easy. I'll replace it right away. But a blown fuse is often just a symptom, not the actual cause.
What do you mean?
It could be that something else caused the short circuit that blew the fuse. That's why I need to keep looking. And look, here are two capacitors that don't look quite right.
Capacitors? What do they do?
Capacitors store electrical energy and smooth out voltage fluctuations. They're important for a stable current flow. These here are bulging and deformed, which is a sign that they're defective.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Can you repair those?
No, they need to be replaced. Desoldering and soldering capacitors requires some skill and the right equipment, but I've done it many times.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Can you repair those?
In principle, yes. It's like a puzzle where you have to figure out which parts are broken and how to get them working again.
And what are you doing now?
Now I'm desoldering the old capacitors and soldering in the new ones. Then I'll put in the fuse and connect the amplifier to see if it works again.
Exciting. I'm curious if it will work.
So everything's done. Now comes the moment of truth. Turns on the amplifier.
Oh, there's sound. Great job, Craftic. You did it.
Yes, it works again. Sometimes it's just small things that make a big difference.
That's amazing. You're a real expert, Craftic. I could never have done that.
Thanks, Bella. It's just a hobby of mine. I find it fascinating how things work and how you can repair them.
I think it's fascinating how you do all this. Maybe you can show me sometime how it works.
Gladly, Bella. I'm happy to explain everything you want to know. If you enjoyed watching this repair, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to help me grow and create more content like this.